The major political parties in the state of West Bengal have released their manifesto ahead of the 2021 assembly election. From income to all to 33% reservation for women, the three major parties have made big poll promises to the people. So before you go cast your vote in the coming days, here are the major highlights from the manifesto presented by the BJP, TMC and the Left Front. The Bharatiya Janata Party and Trinamool Congress have heavily focused on women voters, with BJP promising to give free health, education and public transport. It has also said that it will provide 33% reservation to women in state government jobs. The TMC, on the other hand, has promised to provide monthly financial aid to the woman guardian of every family. All the three parties in the state have put emphasis on farmer welfare. The ruling party has said it would increase the aid to farmers from Rs 6,000 to 1,000 to small and marginal farmers under the Krishak Bandhu scheme. It will also establish crop-specific mini food parks. Bharatiya Janata Party has promised Rs 10,000 per year to 75 lakh farmers under PM Kisan and Rs 4,000 per year to all landless farmers and sharecroppers. Meanwhile, the Left Front has criticized the farm laws and vowed to ensure minimum support price to all farmers if voted to power. On the healthcare front, the ruling party has assured the voters that it will double the spending on health from 0.83% to 1.5% of the state GDP and increase the number of seats for doctors, nurses and paramedics. The BJP has proposed three new aims in North Bengal, Jungle Mahal and the Sundarbans. It will also provide a Rs 10,000 crore healthcare infrastructure fund. With lack of employment becoming a major issue in the country, all the three parties have promised more jobs in the industrial sector. TMC has promised to provide 5 lakh jobs every year, whereas BJP has promised to provide employment opportunities to at least one member in every family. The left has promised to create new areas of employment. The party will also offer employment program and increase the government initiatives in self-employment projects. In one of their major promises to voters, Trinamool Congress has said that it will provide income for all families in the state. General category families will be given Rs 6,000 per year, while the SC/ST families to get Rs 12,000 annually. The ruling party has also promised a student credit card scheme which will be introduced with a credit limit of Rs 10 lakh with only 4% interest rate. The Mamata Banerjee-led party will also provide free doorway delivery of monthly ration, Ma canteens which will provide 5 rupees meals across 50 cities and 30 lakh low-cost housing to the people. The BJP has promised a Tagore Prize on the lines of the Nobel Prize and a Satyajit Ray Award on the lines of Academy Awards. It will also establish 100 new government colleges and 50 new polytechnic colleges through Rs 10,000 crores Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay funds. It has promised to provide free books, bags, school uniforms, bicycles and digital tablets. The party will also implement the Citizenship Amendment Act in the very first year of its cabinet. The Left Front has promised that it is not going to implement CAA NRC in the state. It is also paying attention to specific and effective policies to build large-scale industries. The party has also promised to regularize tests for recruitment of teachers at primary, secondary and higher secondary schools.